Let me show you how to use your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro as a web camera. So first, simply grab your cables that you use to charge your camera and simply open its charging port and simply plug it in over here. So plug in the other end in your PC or laptop, and once connected, you should see this window here. So where you can select the web camera mode. So I'll insert it back in just to show again. So you simply click here. By default, it's on the USB. If you basically plug it to your PC and you do not see this mode, simply try another cable. That most likely means your cable isn't good for data transfer, essentially. And yeah, as you see, you can also click here to essentially change some settings as well. And once you open basically whatever software you basically are trying to use, you should see the camera. Also, for example, if we go in the open settings on our computer, go in the Bluetooth and devices here, and go in the cameras, you should be able to disable your internal camera. So if your laptop basically has got the internal camera, you want to first disable your laptop's camera. Otherwise, the software where you are trying to basically use the web camera might not take it. And then as you see, you can go here and see what this camera is seeing here. Also, you see you can rotate it here just as you need. For example, if you open the camera app on your PC, I see it also appears here. Okay, good luck.